Let's get ready to work, guys. Today we have a full body kettlebell workout for you. We're gonna be needing heavy, medium, and light kettlebells. So grab whatever you have, let's get it ready to go. We're gonna start with a simple warm up, and then we're gonna get right into our kettlebell circuit. So let's get some energy going, let's feel good, let's crush this workout. Let's get right into this warm up. We're gonna be starting on the ground with 30 seconds of cat-cows, guys. So let's get the back warmed up. We got 4 different movements we're gonna hit, 30 seconds each. Let's get that body feeling good, and let's get ready for that kettlebell work. Let's start with warming up our spine. We wanna arch our back, and then slowly round it, taking our time in each position. It's a great warm up for your spine. You'll see it a lot in my workouts. I love doing these all the time, no matter what we're hitting for the day. Let's get that back warmed up. You got a few more seconds, and then we're gonna get right onto the ground into our 90-90s in 3, 2, 1, good. Let's sit on the floor. You guys are gonna get into this 90-90 position. So one leg 90 degrees in front, one leg behind, and let's start our rotations. You're just gonna put your hands behind your back, rotate one way, and rotate the other. So we're kind of going just back and forth here. Very simple rotations to get the hips opened up. You can spend a second or two in each position. Sometimes I like to rotate and lean into that for a few. Good, let's get a few seconds here. And then we're gonna stand up and we're gonna get right into our jumping jacks. Get a few more rotations, guys. Good, and 3, 2, 1, and good. Stand on up. We're gonna hit our side lunges now. We're gonna go 30 seconds each leg going into the left. Let's go, 30 seconds. Bend into that knee and push back. So we're gonna go 30 seconds each side, and then we're gonna get right into our jumping jacks for a quick 30 seconds, and then we'll get to that kettlebell work. We're gonna be doing a little bit of everything. It's full body on this. So let's get these legs warmed up, ready to go. Good. Last few seconds, and then we'll get to that right side. Bend into that knee. Take a couple breaths, push back strong, and switch. Let's go to that right leg. Go ahead, 30 seconds. 15 on the clock, and we'll hit our jumping jacks here for 30. And then we'll get those kettlebells out and ready to go. Last few reps. Good, keep pushing. Bend into that knee, drive back. 3, 2, 1. Stand up tall, jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Good. Get this blood flowing a little bit, get that body feeling good. We have 3 rounds of 3 sets to do in the kettlebell circuits. Each one is gonna be 3 rounds. Good, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and breathe. Take a second, we're gonna describe our next set and we'll get right into it. Your first circuit today is gonna be 3 movements. We're gonna go all on the right side of the body and then get to the left. The first movement is gonna be a right arm, single arm deadlift. So we're hinging down to the ground, tapping the floor, bringing that right up to that same leg. So hinge, push the butt back, you're bending your knees slightly, and then stand up tall with that kettlebell. You're gonna be doing 10 reps on the right. Right when you finish, you're gonna be giving me 5 kettlebell cleans. So we're gonna hinge down and clean that kettlebell right up into that front rack position. So hinge down, we're pulling that kettlebell up towards the chest and rounding that wrist to get it right into that front rack position, okay? We wanna feel like we use the power from our hips to get it up there. Then we're doing 10 push presses on the right side. So bending those knees, opening the hips slightly, sitting back, and then driving that kettlebell up, down, and drive. So it's 10, 5, and 10. We're gonna get right into this thing. Let's get that kettlebell set. We're giving me 10 deadlifts on that right arm, and then we'll repeat the whole thing on the left. Here we go, guys. 10 reps in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Right when you finish the 10, give me those 5 kettlebell cleans on that right side. Hinge down, right up to that front rack. 1, 2. Right when you finish, you get to the push presses for 10 reps. Right into that front rack and go. 10, Put it down and switch sides. Go to that left arm, get right into it. 10 deadlifts. Tap the ground, drive the hips. Get right to those kettlebell cleans. 5, right into that front rack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish it, get to the push presses. 10 reps, hinge back, punch it. 1, finish this set, let's go. 2, perfect. Put it down when you are done and breathe. That's your first round. You guys are gonna take a 1-minute rest and get right into round 2. So that was your first of 3 rounds. If you guys felt comfortable with the weight that you chose, go heavier on round 2, and if you feel comfortable again, push it on round 3. Pause the video, complete all 3 rounds, and we'll get right into the next circuit. Okay guys, second circuit, we're gonna need 1 kettlebell again. We're gonna be going, first exercise here, holding the kettlebell at the chest. You're gonna squat down, drill your elbows into your legs, down with the kettlebell, curl it, and stand up. You're gonna be giving me 10 reps there. Second movement is gonna be a kettlebell catch. We're gonna do 10 as well. So hinging over, popping it right up at the chest for 10. Dip and catch. And that third movement, we're gonna hold that kettlebell right there at the chest, and we're gonna march very slowly. 15 reps each leg. If you have room at home to walk, go for it. Take 15 steps down, 15 back, or more if you guys have that extra room. So let's grab that 1 heavy kettlebell. Let's get our squat and curling. Let's get ready to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squat, elbows stay tight, down, curl it. 1, 2, 10 reps. Let's go. Two more and we get to the catches. 1 more. Here we go. Dip, catch, 10 reps. 1, 2, use those legs. Pop up and drive. 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. Get those reps up. Right when you get to 10, start your marches. Hold that kettlebell tight at the chest and go. Remember, nice, slow, and controlled. Keep the core tight. I don't want you leaning on that lower back. Stay nice and straight, core engaged. Let's go. Match my pace. Keep that kettlebell close. Finish strong. If you've already finished, you're moving a little too fast. Slow it down, get those marches going. Come on, a few more reps. 1 more each side, and down. Whew, okay, good work. First round down, 2 more to go. Again, same thing. If you felt strong and confident, increase the weight, make that second and third set harder. Let's go. While you guys are resting, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you guys are enjoying the video. I'd love to hear from you guys. Finish this workout strong. Okay guys, we're on our last and final circuit. We're gonna go 3 rounds again, and you only have 2 exercises on this set. The first one is gonna be a single arm swing. We're gonna be going 10 reps on the right side, kind of like what we did earlier. We're gonna go all on the right side of the body for 10 swings. When you guys are hitting your swings, throw it through nice and high between your groin with that kettlebell and drive it out in front. Again, using your hips. I don't want you squatting it down. Don't round your back forward. Throw it between the legs, pop those hips and squeeze the glutes. Right when you finish the 10 on the right side, you're gonna put that kettlebell in the right front rack position like we had earlier, and you're gonna reverse lunge, bringing the right leg backwards. We're gonna be doing 10 reps. Then we got a little surprise for you. After we hit that right side, I'll explain it to you when we get there. So let's get right into this. 10 kettlebell swings on the right, and then 10 lunges with the right leg going back. Let's get ready to go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. 10 reps. Right when you finish, get it into the front rack position. Get it up nice and strong. Right leg goes back. 10 lunges, let's go. 1, 2, nice and smooth, not too fast. 3, 4, 5. When you guys get to 10, we're all gonna hold it for 10 seconds in that tough bottom position. Ready? Here we go. Take that step back, hold it. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, hold it. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Put it down. Go to that left leg now. Left side, excuse me. 10 swings on the left. Nice little hold there. Surprise you guys with that. Let's keep working. Come on. Finish it. Get it into that front rack position. Get the left leg going back on those lunges. Let's go. 10 reps. And then again, you guys know the surprise now. 10-second hold. Keep working, come on. Get ready for that hold. 3, 2, everybody join it together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hell yeah, guys. There we go. First round down. Again, give me some good energy and effort into the next 2 sets. Pause the video, give yourself 1 minute on each, and then get right into it. Finish this workout strong.